So with this change in the storage industry happening, SNIA members, companies like Toshiba should be looking at what features these hyperscalers are going to require for their storage devices, for the software-defined storage that uses those storage devices. We've got some requirements already from the hyperscalers, and some standards already exist that are going to help them with some of the issues they're coming across. One of the big issues is something called tail latency, where one drive out of a RAID stripe takes anywhere from 2 to 10 times as long to respond as the other drives. But because it's a RAID stripe, they have to wait for that data to arrive before they can take the entire response back up to the application and respond to the user. So if we can get rid of that or minimize that tail latency, that will be a big solution for these hyperscalers and the enterprises that are using hyperscaler techniques. So we're going to continue to see a trend here of enterprises building their own storage systems out of these best-in-class commodity components, using their own software-defined storage, maybe some licensed software-defined storage as well, building their own automation of the data center, the software-defined data center, using these components and the software to sort of achieve their own business goals for their business. A large bank has to maybe comply with hundreds of different government regulations. So they can't just put all their data in a public cloud. Those clouds can't meet those requirements at this point in time. So they have specific requirements. They have to meet those requirements. The only way to do it is to roll their own and do it yourself.